Hello, my name is Amanda Mejia. I'm a third-year junior here at Southwestern, and I'm an applied physics major, so this is my last year here before I go on to grad school through the dual degree program. And so this year I worked on my capstone with Speedy, the sulcata tortoise. He is a paraplegic tortoise at All Things Wild. I met him through Mary in the Academic Success Center, and she introduced me, and so it started with the idea of building a device for Speedy to be able to walk better. I met Speedy and I analyzed how he walks, and so he's around 45 pounds. It's a lot to weigh, right? To be able to drag that around. It's very important that he's able to walk, but without his hind legs, he just can't do that normally. So we begin with the first design, simple circle, 4 wheels on either side with a strap that would go over him. You can sit right here. And this was our first design. So going from this, we could just see how it affected him. Turtles, just in general, the way he sits, he's on an incline normally. And so if we want to help him walk, then if his front legs are already forward, then why not just keep moving with that and allow him to, use his own weight to move. And just a natural incline, he would sit with his head in front. 4 wheels and strap design similar to the rest, but he was just on an incline, and they showed the most promise when working with him. We realized it was just a little bit too small though, so we moved on to design 4, and it's far too big for him, so it does give us a good idea of where he should be. So these are to scale. He sits right around in the middle of these 2 designs, and so it was good to be able to finally get to our final design. We change our shape completely and just make this little, I say alien shape. It matches his shell almost exactly. And so he sits on the front, his head is in the front, you see his incline normally, and this showed the best promise. 2 straps to help him stay fully onto the design the entire time, and he moved the best with this design. So I made these all using Fusion 360, a CAD modeling software. So taking a picture of Speedy from above, measuring it to a ruler and being able to take his exact measurements through this picture, and then designing all of these designs on the overlay of his own shell on this picture. And so we just built the shape around it, elevated it, and then this made our own 3D shape. Taking this, putting it to a slicer, and being able to fully print it in a bamboo printer. But Speedy's about the size of my torso, and so we couldn't actually just print them right. This design couldn't just be printed as one whole. We had to split it up into multiple different parts to be able to stick them together. So that was kind of the most challenging part, was being able to just have a full design, cutting it up, and then putting it all back together to be able to sit under Speedy comfortably. So being a physics major, I've always wanted to go into prosthetic design, and I've never really had an outlet to be able to go into something like that. And I work in a lab where I predominantly work on 3D printers, and so I'm very familiar with 3D printing, and I want to get into prosthetics. And so I met Mary on a whim, and she told me about Speedy, and I was like, this is incredible. I want to do this. This is a perfect project for me to apply what I know and continue on with the process of what I want to do with my future.